6.
I'm Avery and I'm in grade 6.
I'm Cheyenne and I'm in grade 6.
Okay, tell me about the sensory pathway. It was here when you started at the beginning of grade 6. What do you like about it?
It's just kind of fun, like before we go outside, because like I don't know.
To do like activities.
Yeah, it's fun.
How does it make you feel?
Happy. Yeah, it's fun because I like making up things. It's like I don't know, like jump along the opposite sides, like your age or like going in and out with the letters. It's just kind of fun.
Hey Lucas, how does it make you feel when you use the sensory pathway?
Good
It makes you feel good?
and happy.
Okay, thanks.
I'm Vicki. I'm an EA here at Queneesh, and I have a student that likes to use the sensory path on a fairly regular basis. We use it for breaks for him, and it helps him regulate. His favorite part is, I think, the alphabet. He likes to go to each letter and say words that go along with the letters. He also really likes the flower that has the numbers, and it helps him to review if we've been counting by 2s, then he'll count by 2s up the flower, or he'll just go count 1, 2, 3, 4 and kind of walk to each one. Those are his favorite parts, but he also likes he has put his hands on the wall before just to push, and that he finds fun, but generally it's just a very regulating thing for him, a good break.
Break my stride, ain't nobody gonna hold me down. Oh, I got to keep on moving.